this is your Korean sister Jiyu, and I'm here to review the music video of YOOA's new release song called 숲의 아이. This song's English name is Voyage, and YOOA is, as you know, one of the members of oma이걸. She's really popular for her dance performance and singing ability and her characteristics and appearance and fashion style and everything. And she released her new song as a solo. So I'm really excited to see this video, and it's on the second highest ranking of the Korean pop chart, which I use this app is called Jiyu, and I just checked right before I shoot this video, and she is ranked on second ranking. I'm really happy to enjoy this music video with you guys, so let's see how she did. Oh, maybe she's traveling to somewhere. Oh, maybe car accidents? Wow. Wow. Seriously. Wow. Wow, the sudden change, it surprised me, she was driving in this BMW very fancy car, so she looks really modern and trendy style, and suddenly she stops and she found this huge bear, I guess, huge fox, I didn't see well, but she encountered this very big animal in the forest, and suddenly this song changes to very light and happy mood. So I don't know what I'm gonna get to see. So wow. She really looks like a kid or a child in the forest. Her song's Korean name, it's called 숲의 아이, and 숲 means forest and I means child or kid. So that literally means a child or kid in the forest, and she really looks like she is lost in the forest, and she looks like a kid, more like a girl, very pretty girl. But I guess she is trying to convey the message we are so tired and exhausted of this modern lifestyle, so maybe what we really want or what we really seek for is in the forest, maybe. Wow. I love her horn. Wow, I really love her outfit, yellow outfit with sunflowers, surrounded by sunflowers, I guess this was taken in Jeju Island, maybe around May or June, but we have a really beautiful island called Jeju Island, and it's in the far south, and we Koreans go to Jeju Island a lot for travel or for vacation. And that has really exotic vibe, not like Korean peninsula, so that's a independent island, and it's really big for tourist industry, tour industry, because nowadays we can't go abroad, so many Koreans go to Jeju Island for their vacation and for their holidays, and I guess she took this video in that island too. So this lyric means 나는 찾아가려 해 신비로운 꿈, means I'm going to find this mysterious dream. So 신비로운 means mysterious and 꿈 means dream. So she is going to find her mysterious dream, and maybe that's what we are seeking for, and maybe that could be a savior for us, who are so exhausted in everyday lives, or I don't know, like this modern lifestyle or this pandemic situation.
서로 눈을 맞출 때 푸르르던 숲
Wow.
가장 높은 절벽에 굴러갈 소리쳐 멀리 세상 저편에 날 기다리는 숲
So like I told you, like right before you could see very beautiful beach with like black stones, and that's the unique trait of Jeju Island. It was made like many years ago, like I don't know, maybe 1,000 or like tens of thousands years ago. Jeju Island was built, but it was made by a volcano activity. Basically, Jeju Island's stone, like the soil, is consisted of this byproduct of this volcano activity. So when you go to Jeju Island, you can see all the black stones like on the Jeju ground soil or on the Jeju Island's ground. My guess was right, you know, like she took this video in Jeju Island. Actually, I really like this song. So what I realized was like she was really like focusing on the nature. Like for me, it's kind of healing only to see this video because nowadays we cannot go anywhere, you know, because of COVID. So it's really kind of hard for us to travel even. It's really hard for us to meet people. It's really hard for us to go on a vacation or a trip. Like especially for me, like I've been focusing on work, you know, like and nothing else. And just to see this nature that I used to see a lot, like when I traveled, you know, I couldn't see this like 6 months or 7 months from now. And like only to see this, like this is kind of healing experience for me. She really looks like a fairy. Short hair. And like I heard this lyric, like now I know what's like myself. And she said like in the Korean reading like okay, 나는 이제야 내가 나다운 게 무엇인지 알겠어. And 알겠어 means I know. 나다운 거 means like what is like to be myself. So she realized, oh okay, this is me and this is myself. And what I realize nowadays when I listen to K-pop songs, especially by a girl group or like girl group member song, like female artists, you know, like I could feel that they are really emphasizing this independence, like independence of women and like what it is like to be myself. And I guess it's really important for us to realize that what is really like to be me and what I should do like to live this life happily. And I guess they are trying to convey this like whole big idea, but with like different versions and with different styles. So I think it's very inspiring. Pretty. I want to learn that skill too. free, you know, like dancing in the forest, dancing in the nature. Like idea of that like really makes me feel free even. Like even I'm in this like office right now, but I feel really free, you know, and this is really fun experience. The beauty of this video is like it really focuses on nature.
나는 찾아가려 해 신비로운 꿈 멀리 세상 저편에 날 기다리는 숲 I wanna be with you
Oh, last sentence of this lyrics, you know, like you heard it, I want to be with you. I guess like that explains everything of this song, you know. So I want to be with you. So you could be you or my lover or nature or our past like that back in the day before COVID or like our future, you know, even though it is really like tough time for us to go through, you know, it will end and it will go away like one day and we will look at like this present time like okay, there was those times, you know, there were those times. So I guess this you could mean many things, you know, depending on that person's situation. So guess like this music, this song, this music video is conveying whole healing message. That's what I felt. So it was really great. She's smiling. And bon voyage means like enjoy your travel, right? So happy travel. So we can travel right now. I guess you guys can listen to this music hoping or dreaming like one day after COVID we can travel again and we can have our happy travel like trip time together. So I guess if you listen to this music like dreaming all those happy times or happy future, then that could be really really great for me and you. So okay, so that's it for today and I'm gonna come back with another music video reaction video next week. So before you go, make sure to subscribe to show your support. That will be a huge help for me. So thanks for now and bye for now and see you again. Bye!